Hi, chat. Welcome to another stream. How y'all doing today? It is Friday, the 5th of November, and we're back for another stream. I'm gonna be imbibing as I do. How y'all how y'all doing today? Oh, had a I had a slice of toast before stream. I just got a crumb. But anyway, hopefully y'all are doing well. RKJ Strim, thank you for the resub at 19 months. Holy shit! Thank you for your continued support. It is good to see you again. How's your Friday / Saturday going? But didn't Europe just have their daylight savings time stuff happen? Didn't that just happen? I think the US has it this weekend, which is great because daylight savings time um and then I go on a trip. So I guess at least I don't change time zones, so it's not like a huge deal, but I guess I'll just have to deal with that. But anyway, let me say hi to everyone who is here. We've got JJMC, who is first today. Good to see you again, JJMC. RKJ as well. Koniggeist, hello, hello. We've got Dean LA, welcome to the stream. Hello, hello. We've got Nerum, who says, surprise stream. Yes, indeed. It is a bit of a surprise stream today. Not really planned, but I figured I was gonna do some open sourcey stuff. I might as well turn on the camera and do it for everyone else too. Tommy K says, let me guess you're an Ubuntu fan. I mean, I use it. I wouldn't go as far to say like I'm a fan. I mean, I'm okay using it, and I'm comfortable with it, and it is what's familiar to me, and I use it for the most part. But yeah, I guess you could say that. RKJ says, I'm sleepy, it's 10 p.m. here. Well, it's actually not that far off. It's 6 p.m. here. Oh, does that mean tomorrow's stream is going to be a weird time for everyone? I think that means tomorrow's stream is going to be a weird time for everyone, but I guess that's the way things go. JJMC says, missed last stream, had to pee in the office. Ah, makes sense, makes sense. Tommy K says, at least you like the color theming. Yeah, I like the color theming. Color theming is fine. Coding Guy says, I got a new M1 MacBook today. I actually got one from work yesterday. And nothing works. I'm trying to set up our developer tooling and validate that it works. But like IT shipped the Mac without most of the setup on it, so it's like really weird to navigate. Also, they were like, "Oh yeah, we opted you into the Monterey beta, so good luck. Validate Monterey for us too." It's just like, I mean, it's already enough changing going from Intel to AMD or Intel to ARM. But now I have to deal with the macOS changes too, which is a mess, I guess. But slowly getting things to work. Victor Costellini says, I took one full day to make Docker work on my M1. I'm not even gonna try and set up Docker. I want to do the bare minimum to make sure the normal dev tools work, and then probably we'll go back to my normal machine. The weird thing so far is I feel like the M1 is like kind of laggy, and I don't know why. Like it's very fast at some things, but then some things it's just like, yeah, we're gonna, sit here and spin for a few minutes. Konigay says, I was surprised Podman worked with no issues. Well, so Podman is written in Go, and Go has been fairly ahead of the game on alternate architecture support. And so it doesn't really surprise me that much that it works. Plus the client part of it isn't that complicated. I guess the backend part of it is like running a Linux kernel, but I don't know. They had the virtualization stuff working pretty early on, Hey, what's up, D-Dells? Hello, hello. Good to see you again. Happy Friday as well. So the plan for today's stream is I have a few open sourcey things to look at. Oh, I forgot about this thing. Well, maybe we'll do that too. But the plan is to do those and just kind of have a chill stream. Oh, I guess we should start on open source since last time. Oh, dang it. Set today misc open source Python and flake8 and other stuff. Yeah, I always forget to set today, and you got me there. Okay, let's talk about stuff since last time first. Oh yeah. So there's a person who's reached out to me for an EDU plan of pre-commit CI, and I can't really set up a plan because GitHub doesn't give me the options for that. So I have opted them in, and they are paying a discounted rate through GitHub sponsors. So I set up this because originally I was just going to edit the database, but it turns out some of the work that we did a couple months ago, it just blows away all the database state. So I fixed that for them. So now they are back opted into a paid plan. So little change there. And this patch I just made on my phone a few minutes ago. Because I was trying to set up my development environment, which involves, installing my text editor, and my text editor depends on binary dependencies, and a good chunk of, I maintain at least one of those binary dependencies, and I was like, oh, okay, well, I'll just rebuild it and upload it to PyPI and we'll be good. But PyPI doesn't allow macOS 12 at the moment, so I added 12 to this list here and updated the test to be 13. This is actually, these kind of tests really annoy me because the next release someone else is going to have to bump this to a 14 and then a 15 and then a 16 and et cetera. And I honestly just wanted to replace this with like 9001, but I don't know. I don't know whether they intended it to be annoying or not, so I just kind of left it. But that's the update there. We talked about this a little bit last time. Someone has reviewed it though. Yeah, macOS X 13. Yeah. It's OS 10.13. Oh man, it just reminds me of all the smug assholes who are always like, it's not macOS X, it's OS 10. And now it's meaningless. It's the number is definitely not 10 anymore. But anyway, someone did do an initial review of this. I was like, I believe we still support 3.5. I was like, nope, we don't. But I haven't got another review here, and they didn't click the button. They didn't click the mine Bitcoin button. Why they didn't click the mine Bitcoin button? I have no idea. It's iPhone 10, not iPhone X. Smug assholes, aka Mac owners. Yeah, a little redundant there. But anyway, that's the update since last time, and then we can take a look at this PR that that I have not looked at yet. This adds relax ng schema files. I've heard of this before, so I think this is fine. They're also XML and text. I don't know much. How commonly? Yeah, I've seen this extension before for this particular thing. Nokia phone ringtones. Yeah, probably not that important. Cool. Seems fine to me. And so we will merge. That's not where that was. I love the movie 10 Men. That sounds like a porn. I'm surprised you got Monterey. We apparently have to opt in to macOS upgrades. Yeah, that's how ours is supposed to work too. Except the IT person who provisioned my machine was like, haha, you get to use the new macOS version and you don't get a choice because we don't want to test it, so we're gonna make you test it for us. So I'm basically a double guinea pig here. Which is kind of annoying. Hey, what's up, Governor? Hello, hello. Good to see you. What was I doing? Bumping this version. Oh, I had a long week at work. But that's over. Well, it may not be over because I'm still on call, so I may get paged. Which I got paged yesterday while I was in the shower. And by the time I got out of the shower, the page was gone. Like the person that had created it had just deleted it. So I don't really know what happened. What am I doing? Pipe. But I was like, hey, what's broken? And they were like, lol, JK, nothing. So that's the way things go, I guess. Okay, got that out of the way. This one's really annoying. And I'm pretty sure this is a change that I made like 6 months ago. And I thought I had tested all of the cases, but apparently not. So the problem is git pip installs pip into the wrong directory just for the dead snakes packages. And I think it's because of how the it's like a site thing in here. Also, they open the bug report and open a question on Stack Overflow, and I was like, yeah, this is please don't open bug reports on Stack Overflow. That's not what they're for. And they're like, don't downvote me, and I was like, I'll do whatever the hell I want. But anyway. And guy says, I hate when people delete messages after tagging me. I always get paranoid that I missed something. The weird thing is, usually the page says, like, go to this Slack channel, and it just said go to no. So I don't know how they created the page, but it, like, super confused the paging system. But that's the way things go. Right, so we also have to look into this, because I didn't do any investigation. I just assumed that what they said was correct. Please direct your attention to dev null. Yeah, good page changed like a ghost. Yeah, good page canceled like a ghost. I can run rmti ubuntu focal bash. Software properties common curl c certificates apt add at repository -y ppa dead snacks apt install no install recommends python 3.10, and we'll probably need distutils as well. We'll probably need distutils up here as well. All right, we'll let that install a bunch of Dockery stuff. And while that is going, and look at the upstream patches and figure out what I fucked up. Details of package here is what I probably want. They're both at 3.10.0. Okay. I guess we pick unstable since that's the newest. I said no. No time zones. Maker get -ux, I think is the command I want. Oh, man, it's crazy to me how many of these stupid command line flags I just have like stuck in my brain forever. And like, are they serving me anything? Probably not. But I know them nonetheless. That's next. Python 3.10. I mean, some of them we have like little jingles for, like get at dashu. Oh man, I don't know why I'm having trouble talking today. Okay, so curl bootstrap.pypa.io/get pip.py. Also the URLs that I've memorized as well. Okay, so we have get pip.py. Sure, we'll install nano also. Hey, what's up, ShazRobot? Hello, hello. Good to see you again. Whisper says, implement a bash plugin that uses Copilot to fill in the flags. Could you do that with bash? I feel like you would have to use like Zish or something smarter. I say docker ermit when I do docker-rm-it. Yeah, I like TI better than IT. I don't know why. Even though in my head it's wrong because I should alphabetize the flags rather than not, but that's the way it goes, I guess. Okay, so the way get pip works is it's a bunch of like bootstrappery code, and it basically unzips this giant binary blob down here, which is making nano lag to shit. Holy crap. There is some... Holy shit. Okay, that was interesting. Apparently this string down here just like makes nano extremely laggy. It's like this is, you know, real time here, but it's just like 1 FPS. It's just crazy. I wonder if Babby has the same problem. I'm only curious if Babby has the same problem. Otherwise, I'm gonna be like, haha, Babby better than Nano. Curl get pip.py. It might have the same problem. I don't know that it should though. Babby get pip. That part looks fine. Yeah, look at how much better. Look at how much better Babby is than Nano. So much better. Can load this without lagging. Easy. Easy. But anyway. Niram says, my programming HDD potentially died. Oh no. Oh, that's not good. Kimbiko's here. Hello, hello. That's not a string. That's a string. I mean, it's a big chunky one. Wait, base 85 is in the standard library now? When was that added? I thought it was like 3.8 when it was new, but base 85. Oh. Oh. So where am I remembering this from? Is there another one? There's one that's implemented in Mercurial. It's like, oh, what was that? There was a service at Lyft that only imported, well, it depended on Mercurial to import like a base 64 like function. Mercurial. Oh, I don't know how I'm gonna find it. There's no way I'm gonna find it. But I want to say it was base 85, but I don't know. Hey, what's up, Crow? Hello, hello. How the MOTD was thank you, and now it's MOTD as it should be. Okay, anyway, the problem is, and actually I probably want to snapshot this image so that I can muck around with it. Podman images. Podman, yes. Podman save E9EC to WAP. Using to save to the terminal. Podman, that's not the right command. Podman, what is the command? Not save. What is it called? Commit. Podman commit. That was weird. So now I can do this though. Cool. Okay, so now we can muck around with this. If I do Python 3.10 get pip.py, what it's supposed to do is it's supposed to write to user local bin and user local lib. But I suspect, given what they said, that it's actually writing to user lib, which is not good. And we should fix that. So if we look in user local, maybe it worked. Nope. Okay, yeah, that definitely wrote to the wrong place. Okay. Does 3.8 work fine? This is a system Python, so it should. User local lib. Yes, that one works fine. Oh, this is the site changes that happened in 3.10, I think. Lib. Might not be site, it might be sysconfig. Oh yeah, it's the sysconfig, this stuff. So there's supposed to be like an alternative prefix in the case of local installs. Debian adds like 2 or 3 things to this mapping. Juicebox Hero, hello, hello. Good to see you again. How are you doing? How you doing on this Friday? You know, it says, as if I need more of a wrench thrown in my side, I now get to deal with open enrollment literally 2 months after completing it and 1 month after getting a new health plan. Yo, same. I just did open enrollment for moving, and my when Stripes open enrollment is due at the end of the next week, which I'm on PTO. Oh, I guess I should finish that before I leave. Did you see the open enrollment video from Meta? I did not. Juice says, I'm a wrench, I don't want to be thrown. Or do you? Oh, okay, we can watch it on stream. How cringe is it? Is it bad? Plus music. It's uber cringe? Okay, perfect. Perfect. Muck around with the audio so it'll show up to YouTube. Alright, we'll watch some cringe. You ready? Oh god, this is starting off great. I'm totally gonna get claimed for this stupid clip here.
It's time again to choose your benefits. It happens once a year. We call it open enrollment, and now you know the time is here. It runs from October 25 till the 12th of November. There are some things you need to do, and we'll help you remember. Tell me what's gonna change.
Oh my god.
Well, there's a new pen we're adding,
So admittedly, this is only like a 3-minute video, which is much fucking better than Stripes. Stripes is like an hour-and-a-half meeting. But we gotta get all the way through, chat.
Deductible, but before you send it packing, know it comes with something cool. You can save and invest your way all tax-free with a nature save. Tell me what's gonna change. Benefits are getting better for your body and your mind. Get some glasses or some braces and Colira anytime.
Colira, oh man.
So that's what's gonna change. That's what's gonna change. Now let's move that thing and jump into the metaverse.
Oh no! What? Where's the rest of their bodies? They're just floating there.
Be sure to review what's changing on the People Portal and decide what benefits you'll need for 2022. If you don't actively enroll, your current benefits
Why does the metaverse just seem like a really shitty Second Life? Like, I feel like we had these graphics in like 2003.
Benefits will carry forward, except for your FSA contributions.
If you enroll in the HDHP, you can also
Oh, here comes the drop
in
chat.
addition to Facebook's
Oh,
contribution.
never mind.
You also have the option of enrolling in a limited purpose FSA for dental and vision expenses.
Don't forget to enroll through the People Portal by November 12th. And while you're doing that,
Why do
take
all
a
the
moment
meta
to review
faces
your
look like they're
dependents
just
and beneficiaries
soulless?
and make sure all information is up to date.
Make sure all information is up to date. We do not blink. We only stare straight forward. Ow.
And LifeAt has more great
Oh
things
god,
coming
there's
in
like a
2022,
there's a whole
like
2
an
minutes
enhanced
of this left.
401k match and your
Oh,
LifeAt
no.
choice benefit that can be used to reimburse all
Oh,
sorts of
no.
well-being purchases, including your very
Yeah, wait,
own
what is going on here with the... What?
Okay, now you know what
Why
to
would
do.
they leave it in like
But
that?
if you have questions, we're here for you. Just hit up Accolade or Clio can make life easy too.
And where do you enroll? The People Portal.
Unnecessary drum solo. How much do you think they paid people on Fiverr for this?
Be sure to check things out. Yeah, you know it's time to enroll. Yeah.
Go on and choose benefits this enrollment.
$5, yeah. I don't think anyone was actually singing in this. I'm pretty sure they're just lip syncing because they don't have mics on. Like if you look at them, none of these people are wearing microphones. So any of the singing that they're doing, like that. Yeah, this is just lip synced. So okay, anyway, that was kind of nuts. I don't quite know how to feel about that. Anyway. Oh, you're welcome for the cringe. Oh my god. Knowledge workers don't need legs. How's it going, Polymathic Man? Good to see you again. Tadisa, welcome to the stream. Brew TV says end my suffering. No, we had to sit through the whole thing. This reminds me of the overproduced Virgin Atlantic safety video. I feel like all of the airline safety videos are like super overproduced. Like the Delta one is like they always throw in like really weird and unnecessary like silly shit in it. But I don't know. More to them, I guess. 50% health insurance support, no legs. That dude is dropping some frames. Yeah. I don't know. Again, like why would you how would a system like that drop frames? Like how many pixels does it have to transmit? That they can't be high bandwidth. Hey, what's up, MD84? Hello, hello. Facebook is the one place I refuse to work. Would rather do anything else, dear God. Yeah. More like an anti-recruiting video? Yeah. Oh, are we watching more cringe now? This is 5 minutes long. We cannot watch this. This is too long. Yeah. But I can already tell it's off to a great start. Oh shit. Okay, so let's try and figure out what's broken here. Oh, I think I know that it's in dist config? No, sysconfig. Userlib Python 3.10. Dist utils sysconfig. Yes. British Airways literally hired a bunch of actors and comedians for theirs. That's crazy. Wait, there's a little kid rapping? No. No, there isn't. That's not, there's no way that's real. Okay, where is, I opened the wrong file. There's 2 sysconfig modules. Right, okay, so I do have the Unix local and dev system in here. They must just not be applying. Oh wait, why does this not have it? If has user base. Get user base is not none. Okay, I don't think that matters. Blah blah blah. If sys.executable? Weird. Okay. Where's the like, oh, here we go. If get preferred schemes, I bet this is what's broken. This should probably have local something or another in here. Yeah. Jeez. Stop for linking that much cringe. Oh no. Hey, what's up, the John Mega? Hello, hello. Good to see you again. Hopefully you're doing well. Alright, let's look at the Debian patches here. See what they've got to do with this. Debian patches, scrap sysconfig f-l. Oh, they have a lot. They have a lot of things that modify sysconfig. I'm guessing it's this file. Wait, what did they change here? This is a mistake, right? Why is this? These lines look identical, right? Oh, they fixed a typo here. Why? Is that present on master or main? Platforms. Oh, it's spelled right here. Well, ooh, that's not relevant. Okay, multi-arch don't care about. More multi-arch. Okay, so this looks like the patch that I already have, although theirs is called POSIX local. They also have this, which we don't have. Get default scheme. Do we even have that function? Why does this looks completely different than their code? That's the virtual environment stuff. I don't think that is actually correct. I don't think that's the right override there. I think it's supposed to say, I think it's supposed to check for the other virtual environment as well, because the environment variable doesn't really help you. But yeah, the gentleman says, doing quite well, made another rotation around the sun. Oh, happy belated or birthday. Congrats on your successful trip. Defender of the Realm says, I'm pretty sure Air New Zealand invented the whole genre of cringe safety videos. Have you seen their Middle Earth themed ones? I feel like every airline has cringe stuff. I feel like that's just normal. What's up, D Mazda? Hello, hello. Yes, platforms indeed. Angle PT's here as well. Hello, hello. Made it to 24, now just need to get used to my new age. Yeah, I know that feeling. You'll be old soon enough. Eval to user for package builds, user local otherwise. Yes, I think ours is called Unix local. But the weird thing is, we don't even have this function. We have a completely different version of this function. Yeah, like this is different. Why? Oh wait. Get preferred schemes? No, that's different still. Maybe there's another patch that does this? Nope. What the fuck? Oh. Yeah, this file doesn't look like that either. Not multi-arch. Multi-arch again. Is this in a different file? Is that why? No, this is libsysconfig. What? This patch doesn't make any sense. This can't be right. Like, I don't see how this patch applies. Okay, but I think the get default scheme. I think we just need to change prefix to local. POSIX local. Prefix home. So we called it Unix local. These other ones, POSIX home. Oh. What happens if we do that now? So you installed to the right place? No. It's not it. I hate this. I hate this so much. So divisible, yeah. 24 has a lot of factors. 60 is the winner. Yeah, that's true. Governat says, "What are you working on?" There's a patch to Debian, or Debian has a patch where global pip will install to user local, and at some point, CPython changed how that works, and I fucked up the merge conflict in the patch because CPython changed, like completely rewrote the sysconfig module. And so now I'm trying to figure out the right way to reapply the same patch, basically. Yeah. I'm pretty sure it's my bug. But we can actually try other versions as well. I think this is just limited to 3.10. Let's try it with 3.9. Oh, we're gonna, yeah, Python 3.9, get pip. Do you work correctly? Yeah, fun times. Yeah, this bit of the packaging is not fun because I have to actually figure out the right way to do this. Did you work? You do work. Okay, so it's just 3.10 plus. So that's just 3.10, 3.10 nightly, 3.11, 3.11 nightly. But they all have the same bug, almost certainly. Actually, we can do 3.11 as well. And show that that's probably broken as well. But once we figure out the right patch, it's just apply the same thing to all of them, so not too bad. I don't know about you guys, but I actually don't really like the new tracebacks. I'm not so much of a fan of them. I really like this double slash here. Not a fan, eh? Yeah, precisely. Jumping says, I got myself an actual gift, Ray Tracing Gems 2. Don't know what that is. Is that a book or okay, yeah, 311 is also broken. That's a book. Cool, cool. So I think I somehow need to take whatever Debian has done here and apply it. And I'm not sure if that's going to fix it, but Daemon sysconfig install. Out of the default dev system is used by blah blah, manually selected during the package build. POSIX local is used by sysadmins to install their own modules into user local. Outside of virtual, we make POSIX prefix default scheme instead, which is simpler and more standard outside dev. Yeah, that makes sense. This also seems relevant, maybe. Yeah. Add the Debian install schemes here until they are added to sysconfig. But we did add them to sysconfig. No? Oh god, what is this mess? We also have 3 patches here. What do they have? Distutils install layout, which we have. Multi-arch. And deb location. Is this one? Oh yeah, this is where we have this patch, but we don't have the rest of it. Gotta figure out the rest of it. The other idea is I just refresh all the patches from scratch again, and just take everything Debian has. That might be easier. It says it's from NVIDIA, and it's all about stuff that can be done with RT. Also, the first one, and the first part of it is an introduction with DirectX 12 code. Oh, nice. Mika says, do you deploy on Fridays where you work? We deploy all the time. Though there is a code freeze in place soon for Black Friday. Apparently that's a important Stripe day, and so they lock everything down, even though my experience code freezes don't actually increase reliability, but that's the way things go. Plushmaster, hello, hello. Good to see you again. Hello, hello. We could just take all of Debian's patches again and start over. Which would fix things, I guess. Fix me, why? Why do this? Hmm. I like how all of these say fix me in it. I think it might be a good idea to just take Debian's patches again. And figure shit out again. Oh, I hate doing that though. It's such a pain. So then I have to do it in 3.11. I don't really want to do that. I kind of want to just figure out what's wrong here and just patch it, even though it's going to be harder. Well, they're both going to be difficult either way. But let's apply this as well, I guess. Even though I don't know, I don't know where this patch applies to, because I don't think it has been this way in a while. Yeah, it's not there anymore. How is that not? Because the Debian version is based on 3.10, right? 3.10.0. Now, how do their patches apply? Because I'm also based on 3.10.0. Right? I don't understand. I don't understand. I don't understand. Yeah, because this is the code that Debian's modifying, but this function doesn't exist. Oh. Fuck. Flush Match says, actually my friends from the other team will be deploying all Saturday and Sunday production stuff. Oh no, deploying on the weekends. Working on the weekends is already yikes. Deploying on Fridays is one of those culture check questions you can ask both as an interviewer, interviewing somebody with leadership responsibility, and interviewee. Oh yeah, for sure. Chad says, Anthony, I do have a question. I think you've probably answered this before, but when in an interview setting and you're asked a concept that you totally don't know / understand, how do you respond? I recently had my first real technical interview and I hit some snacks about things. So this doesn't come up very often, for me at least. Probably because when I interview, I know exactly what I'm getting into. And I'm usually interviewing for a very specific thing. But if somebody asks you something and you know absolutely nothing about it, it's not a good idea to try and fake it. It is okay to admit that you don't know something. And although sometimes they can ask you questions about things that you do actually know, but you don't remember the name of. So sometimes I will, if I mess something, or like, have you ever worked with X technology? I'll be like, maybe, can you describe it more? Can you tell me more about it? And often you can still have like a meaningful discussion if you're able to like make analogies to something that's similar, or side channel talk about it, even if you don't know anything about it. But I don't know. It depends on a case by case basis. But Dino says, now that you asked me, but I typically say I'm not sure of that concept / item, but it sounds similar to X, and see if I can get to that understanding in the interview. Yeah, exactly. Benedict Joe says, you know how you can copy stuff from the console with just the keyboard? I don't know how to do that. I know I can do it with the mouse and Control-Shift-C, but I don't know how to do it from the keyboard. You could use XClip. XClip? What's it called? Clip? Yeah. You use XClip to pipe stuff. Use context clues from the name of the item to try and get at what it is. Some people have different terminology for similar things. Oh yeah, for sure. Some people just like make up fucking words too. Like like Stripe has a whole bunch of made up words for stuff, and it drives me fucking insane. Use normal words for stuff. Please. Don't want to have to go into a falafel about this. John Guy says Amazon is weird. The top selling book in rendering and ray tracing category is a book to help kids learn to write letters. What? Hey, what's up, Beyond the Server? Hello, hello. Good to see you again. No, setup is not broken again. This is something else that's more complicated. Use... What are Tmugs? Like Tmugs? Yeah, I know you can copy in Tmugs. Oh, I see. I understand. It's a throwback joke. Along with Chris says on Mac it's pb copy pb paste. Yeah, that's true. You can also install xclip. Or alias it. I alias it because I can never remember the macOS commands. Not knowing is given an interview. I usually try to stump people at least once in an interview to see how they get out of it. It shows a few things, the biggest one being knowing when you don't know. Yeah, for sure. Pancake Joe says, yes, I know xclip and I have my console in VI mode, but I can only use it in the current command or output, not the entire console. Yeah, so that would have to be your terminal emulator, would have to have a feature for that. Because the terminal tends to not keep track of anything from previous stuff. So either your software here, or if you're using a thing like Tmux. Hey, what's up, Do Nicer? Hello, hello, welcome back. Our IT moved all the servers to a different building today. Outage for 13 hours and still going. Holy shit. That sucks. Okay, so get default scheme. I thought we changed this. What happens if we just do this? And it changed to regex. Meta R? Oh god, what the fuck? I don't know how to undo a nano. Oh, I hate this. Oh my god, what just happened here? Did you see that? These characters are... That was weird. Man, what a shitty text editor. So that's that part of this. What else is there in here? I think that's it though. Alt E or R? Yeah, I don't remember either. Just Roblox things? Yeah. Well, I'm not sure if I know something. I'd say it sounds like, but I'm not sure. I'd have to look it up. Yeah, it makes sense. Why don't I just read the Endless River's name as the Endless Driver? I don't know. Oh god. What? I super fucked up that line somehow? Oh, because got the patch wrong. Whoops. Whoops. Oh, there's a Unicode character here and it doesn't know what to do with it. I understand. Okay, so we got an error. That's good, I guess. Ours is called Unix local, not POSIX local. Let's work. Nope. Fuck. No. Oh, I was hoping it was gonna be that simple. I think it's this. Ugh. I bet it's this distutils install layout one. Somehow. Whoever made that text editor should be ashamed. Yeah. It's a Plumsy. Hello, hello. Good to see you. I was thinking getting rid of the at the start makes it a little shorter. Ooh. Yeah, then you would just be endless river. Did Justin Noodle Hair tell you to drop the oh, is that a the Facebook? The meta? The meta reference? Guess we could try and apply this patch too. I don't know how this is relevant though. Actually, I feel like we did edit these, but maybe wrong. Distutils command install. The line code provides backward compatibility install schemes when making the sysconfig model part of a single point of truth. Makes it easier for OS distributions where they need to alter locations in a single place. That prac added. Yeah, so we did put our things in here. We do have that. They don't have theirs. Sam E.G. Thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Hopefully you are doing well. Jumping says, screwed up a commit, tried to fix it, I accidentally removed my changes. Oh no. Wait, is it in the ref log? Is it in the ref log? You can maybe fix it there. Wait, is plat offrums in here too? Oh, it is. Is there? Oh. Yeah, I don't understand how their patches apply because this doesn't look right. Anyway, I don't want to work on this. We're going to work on something else. I'm going to admit defeat for today and take a look at this when I'm less frustrated with how this shit works. At least I have a Docker file or a Docker image so I can play with it later. Oh, I guess I did do a couple other things off stream that I didn't mention. I archived a few of my projects because 3.6 is entering end of life. So I marked these two hacky, somewhat joke projects as archives now. So both feature annotations and feature breakpoints are basically unnecessary in 3.7 plus because Python 3.7 has breakpoints and Python 3.7 has feature annotations. So I clean these up and put them in the graveyard. Doesn't seem like it. Oh, that sucks. Tiago FCA, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. Okay, let's instead work on flake8. There's two things I want to work on today. One of them is colors. I still haven't looked at this because all the machines I have access to are too noisy. The first is colors, and the second is redoing the plugin loading. Yeah. This is so funny. Ace Dilly, if you're gonna work on this, please be aware of this issue. Ba 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 bum. I wonder who opened this issue. Oh wait, it's me. Okay, so if we're gonna implement flake8 colors, we need to probably match their interface. So let's see what they do here. I don't really care about their implementation. I just want to see their options. Color, auto, always, never. What does precommit use for that setting? Color choices, auto, always, never. Okay, so it's the same there. Ba-ba-ba-bum. Oh, it's main call. It's called main now. I'm not sure how to look at my ref log using git crack and well, I don't know what that is. Don't know what that is. But if you made commits, it should be available in the reflog. Consistency in interfaces, yes, indeed. What do you mean, malformed object name? I thought I fixed this. Why did I do that? Oh, I think I did this for the Vimbits thing. Set nano alias to bin babby. Then I'm gonna have to rebase. It's still in the reflog. Nice. That's good. DJ Terraform. You spinning those there's such potential for jokes here, but I'm just too busy laughing at the name in general. But welcome to the stream, DJ Terraform. 33 commits. Oh. Now it should be fixed, right? Ignoring dangling simref. What do you mean, dangling simref? What the fuck does that mean? Well, you know what this calls for? A reclone. Okay, now it's fine. It wants to delete the maintenance branch, which I think is fine because everything's tagged. And this is that weird branch that showed up. And this is why I think GitLab got hacked. Enterprise Bitcoin browser. I never created this branch, so I don't know where it came from. Hey, what's up, willc.ca? Hello, hello. Welcome, welcome. Ickme, good to see you again. So much yak shaving going on? Yeah, well that's just standard operating principles. That's just how shit goes. Alright. Mean colors. Okay, so Colors. So the way that flake8 colors works is it has a bunch of these colored numbers. Oh, it has a whole bunch of shit in here. Mods, reset, bold, underline, foreground, bold. I don't think we're gonna support foreground. I think we're gonna simplify this a lot. I think we need to add every single color under the sun. I think we probably just want bold. Actually, can you combine them? Can you do... Oh, that's foreground. Yeah, you can do bold separately. That's not so bad. He has a thread here. What is the thread? This has happened to me before. El Montag, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Either I mean, a Lyft recruiter definitely hit me up, but also I've had Yelp recruiters reach out to me long after I've worked there. Sasek says, you type faster than I can see, and I don't understand anything. I thought I knew Git. Oh. I'm sorry. Okay. But... So yeah, there's a default formatter which has these fields. Default. Oh, simple formatter. Okay, yeah, so any of these have their special % formatting thing in here. So, okay. He applied and got an in-person interview and live tweeted the experience. Oh, wait, there's more. I only read the initial part of the thread. I didn't read the rest of it. Do I wear my old uniform to show my commitment? Wearing a fake mustache. Oh my goodness. The interview manager called earlier to confirm my appointment. Wait, he went with the white mustache? The gentleman at the front desk was unfazed by my glorious facial accoutrement. Well, that's a bit outside my vocabulary. They asked me to put on a face mask, not to came prepared. Hiring manager's a guy I haven't met before. He asked the usual questions. The resume I passed doesn't have my old job listed by name, but is a copy paste to the job listing. Nice. That's snacks. I'm in the wrong building for any of my direct coworkers to see. I'm in a weird almost windowless office. You seem like an ideal candidate, but I'm not really technical enough to ask you some hard questions. Are you okay if I go grab one of our engineers? This is a fucking huge bag of gummies there. Met a guy that he's seen in the break room. Nice. I think I've seen you around. Did you ever freelance here before? He says, I think so. I freelanced at a lot of places. Not saying a single lie. More snacks? I'm sure that engineering realized I'm here and they're planning their attack strategy. He sat down super serious. Are you here to really re-interview for this job? I don't understand the re part, but I would like to know more about this role. He left. This is quickly getting police interrogations levels of awkward. Oh no. I mean, no longer get any more snacks. I offered him a gummy bear. Oh no. I'm not getting the job as I intentionally make all the wrong turns to leave. I got like $8 in snacks. Nice. Okay, that's pretty awesome. That's pretty good. You can always get better, says Will C. Yeah. Some guy says, now I need to figure out how to remove a file from a local commit without screwing myself. Yeah, reset will unstage it. You'll probably have to rebase to remove a file from a commit. What's the blue light? It's actually not a light, it is a fidget toy. DJ Terraform plan, apply, and then destroy all proprietary beats. Yes, DJ Terraform. Welcome to stream, Gara. Hello, hello. Accoutrement. Say with your Jason voice. Accoutrement. Accoutrement. Like that? Is that how it's supposed to be pronounced? Is that the right French? Okay. So formatters can set options. Is that true? Is that how this works? He says, not knowing the software that he maintains. Source flake8 formatting base. Init with options. Handle format blah blah blah. Stop. You not have options. 10 pronunciation. I thought formatters had a way to set options, but I guess not. How does this thing do it? Does it have 2 plugins? Oh, it does have an add option. And options. Add options is not none. Oh yeah, we get editor here. Okay, so we can add options here. Class method. Oh, I hate this. I hate this part of things. Add options. Except these get initialized, right? Self.plugin. Are you constructed? I hate that everything is like self dot. You. What? Oh. It's a property. Add plugin. Load plugin. Why are there so many fucking methods here? I just want to see where this gets assigned. Okay, so it loads the function. So this is not actually the... Not actually, so it does have to be class method. Okay. Should it be here or should it be in the main flake8? It should probably just be part of the main flake8. That way you can't disable it. They have bike lanes. Oh, that's a tire ruiner if I've or a wheel ruiner if I've ever seen one. For me, it would be impossible to try and interview at a place that has quit since it's always interviews with the people you work with. Yeah, it's true. That's true. Object-oriented programming for the win. I'd like to cut out most of the object-oriented programming in this. I think we are going to add this as a main option. Options. Let me show you the problem with this project. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we'd have to do. There are 5 classes which have manager in the name. Is this Java? Yeah. Seriously. Where's the... Here? Somewhere there's a whole bunch of config options. I don't remember where it is though. Here, I guess. It's Python, but not true Python, yeah. Just Java styled Python. Alright. I like how these are roughly alphabetical, but also not. Okay, so we'll add color. And do we add color as well? No. Sorry, everyone else in the world. Wait. Put that in the wrong order, didn't I? I did. I can alphabetize. F8 options. I think that is super relevant of a comment anymore. Alright, and the option. This is color. Choices equals auto. Always and never. And the default is auto. And the help. Grab the help from pre-commit. Whether to use color in output defaults to %. Is that how this works? I think. Don't you mean ATO? Wait, what? I don't understand the joke. Again, help. Do we get the color option? Do! And it does work. Oh, it got rid of my space. That's annoying. Okay, so this receives the options. Should we get rid of this option? It's only used for Windows. And even on Windows it's not needed because you can still pipe in command.exe. But, wait. Why is this a variable? What is this? What is this? Why does it call after init? Let's see if we can find anyone that uses this. It is technically a public method. It does get used there. But I would rather just move this to super, you know? You can remove the use randomly anyway. I understand. Hey, what's up, Murphy? Hello, hello. Welcome back. Yankees are coming in here messing with our language. Yeah, yeah. The answer says, how can I write a date format, year, month, day, and arg parse help? I failed with all tries to escape it in any way. Like so. Arg parse equals arg parse dot argument parser. Parser dot add argument dash dash foo l equals, oh hi, percent y percent d percent, oh, it's supposed to be m, md. That should work. Yep. Use double percent. Double percent. The U in color is useless, so why write it? I'm surprised, given you are not from America. Press X to doubt. I mean, I can just download all the flake8 plugins, right? Right? Framework, flake8, everything. 214. Flake8 multi-line conditionals comprehensions. Wait, why is isort report? Oh, isort D? Interesting. Just be happy that the one person didn't get what he wanted, rewriting tongue to TUNG. It's crazy. Answer says, I tried all the backslashes and F-string hack shenanigans. Is this coming from a very old way of string formatting? Yes. It's from ancient string formatting. Sasek says, how can I get better? Practice, man. That's how I get better. I'm not searching through pages. I wish I could just download all of them. Use API. Is there a search JSON API? No, because it got shut down, right? Fuck. I'm just gonna look through a few more pages of. This is someone else copying the same bad pattern. You know, I don't give a shit. Maybe I just break it and like people can use super if they want. Well, let's see if it's in the docs. Damn. Internal. Internal though. Internal. It's documented as internal, so I can change it. Maybe I don't change this. Seems like more work than it's worth. We can deprecate it though, right? If has adder self. Ryu Zaki Zero, thank you for the follow. Welcome to the stream. Hopefully you're doing well. Never mind. I'm gonna not clean it up even though I want to. Okay, so where's the pre-commit logic for color? No. Oh, we also have to do this shit though, don't we? Oh. Because Windows. Because Windows. Flake8 awesome extension. Yeah, it doesn't really help. I need to download them all. Once find the definition of then GitHub. All I can do is give you 100 useless pages of results. That's true. Virtual Paragon says, what is the shirt of the day? It is in Berlin. They're a pop punk sort of band. Dino says 4 PRs to my own repo were enough to qualify for Oktoberfest. Nice. GG on that. What does Flake8 Colors do here? Do they even bother? No. They don't. They're just like, hello, whatever. It's fine, I guess. Xark said pip download. Yeah. If Amberlin isn't from Berlin, I'd be disappointed. They're not. They're from like Tennessee or something like that. Amberlin. Wikipedia. I got an email, so I wanted to check. Oh, they're from Florida. That's right. That's why they did one show in Florida. Makes sense. From Florida. They're from Florida. Okay, so and Florida, yeah. Okay, so we're just gonna ignore the rest of that for now. Terminal supports color. This is the Windows thing, yeah. Options dot color equals always, or options dot color equals auto, and this dot standard out does. This is actually a bit of a bug in pre-commit. Unfortunately, Windows has like the wrong. They send the wrong. They fucked up the TTY attributes on Windows, and I've reported this like 3 times, and they're like, "No, you're wrong because Python." And it's like, no, it does this in Bash also. So it's definitely not my fault, but I think we're gonna skip these. We're just gonna do this for now. Good enough, check. From the state with crazy people, I mean, that's just kind of the US in general. Gilliam Wibson, welcome to the stream. How you doing? You could try parsing pipei.org/simple. I could. The thing is, this doesn't have the, we could do this and just like get most flake8 plugins, but there's also like, you know, PyTest flake8 is going to be in here, which is not what we want. Like, this is definitely not right. So. But maybe if I more seriously want to deprecate those, then I'll look into it. How do you get better? I couldn't listen to what you said. Oh, I just said practice. Build stuff, work on things, learn as you're doing. Poly Insecure, hello, hello. Good to see you again. Okay. Where's the oh, I see. So that needs to be, I guess we could start by testing the thing that I just did there. Test unit? Test base formatter? I don't like how the tests are set up either. Interesting. Force.set default color auto. Have I broken anything yet? Yes. Yes, I have. Why is this in like 4 different fucking files? I noticed that the link for flake8 in the about page links to the GitLab mirror. That's PyCQA. That's GitHub. That's GitHub, mail list. In the about page. This GitHub. The Twitch about page. Oh. Got it. Yes, I have not updated that yet. Fernando, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. That. Yes, I moved from GitLab to GitHub a while back. And I guess I did not update this. The rest of them right? Yeah, probably. Fixed. Thank you very much. Okay, so that's working now. I fucking hate flake8 doc strings. So stupid. We'll create an argparse.namespace instance. Yeah. Could have looked one line down and saw the same thing. Alright, test unit. test color true always is true. Formatter, what? On base formatter, right? Yeah. Color equals always. Third formatter dot color is true. Just color auto is true for T2I. With mock.patch.object sys standard out. Also without TTY. False for never. Ooh, object is not callable. Seems not the best. This will work, hopefully. There's no attribute return value. Oh, because it probably doesn't have it until it gets entered. Oh, it's not dot return value. Hey, what's up? Oh no, it's C! Hello, hello, welcome, welcome. Hopefully you are doing well. What do you mean? Why is the mock not working? Why is it not working? This is the auto spec? It's because of auto spec. What the fuck? Who wrote the MOTD? Crow wrote the MOTD. Crow's favorite MOTD is MOTD. My bot is still subbed to Pokey. Damn it. Okay, that's working now. So we need to figure out how to... I hate how many files I've had to modify so far. There's too many. Source, flake8, formatting, default. Now we need to decide if we have color. We I guess we just put a bunch of colors in here. So these are the normal ones, right? What if the bot were to reply to its own messages? Yeah, I can't do that. Can't do that. That's how I get banned. Learn the hard way. If a bot replies to a bot, that's easy bans. Yassine, thank you for the resub with Prime. At 13 months, thank you for your continued support. It is good to see you again. How are you doing? Do you want Blink in your terminal? Alright, so what is the standard ANSI colors? ANSI colors. So just standard set of colors. I just want the normal 8 colors. Okay, 30 through 37. Black, red. Red, green, yellow, blue, purple. What do they call it here? Do they call it turquoise? Cyan. Oh, magenta, cyan, white. Those are the boring colors though, right? These are the nice colors, right? But maybe we just start with this. Life is crazy. What about you? I'm doing well. I'm doing well. Linklist says, did you hear about the attack on January 1st, 1970? It was a 0-day attack. That's pretty funny. Matthew8 says, ain't Ray set 0M? The 0 is optional and most people don't know this. Most people don't know this. Zero is not needed. Hopefully you learned something today. Does Python have an immutable map? I wish it did, but it does not. Which fucking sucks. Okay. That should allow us to have colors. And it clearly does. What's the default format? Oh, look, it's bold, chat. We did it. Would be great if someone wrote a pet for immutable maps. It's happened at least twice now. Like Guido was like, that's not that useful, so we're not gonna add it. Yeah, this one's clearly out of date, even though it's standards track. Where's the like previous bits here? Where's the like previous rejections? Because this was already been proposed at least twice. 416, yeah, 416 is the one I was thinking of, which was rejected. The rationale, where was the, here we go. Usage of frozen dict is low, yet we have frozen set, which is way fucking way less useful than frozen dict. Anyway, yeah, it's been proposed before, hasn't happened. Why do you need an immutable map? All sorts of reasons. Here's a great example of where I would use an immutable map. I don't ever want these to change, especially not on accident. I want these to always be frozen. You can also do a lot of cool stuff with like constant folding in functions, but we can't do any of that right now. So, mainly they do not exist. Okay, so I guess the next thing is to just decide what the default format should look like. Like what should we color in here? What does flake8 colors have as their default? We used to have one as well. Except it's in talks.ini. Green bold. Wait. But wait, that's legal. Why are they these weird ass formats? Why are they not just the same? Okay, so we're clearly going to be incompatible with flake8 colors, but don't care. Are there any other tools that do this? Does MyPy do this? MyPy does this, right? Kind of. I kind of want, let's see. Let's just fiddle around with it. Percent bold S. I have to do some words here. Holy shit. Okay, let's see what that looks like so far. Ooh, I like that. A little verbose to be I'm gonna type up here. Ooh. I know it's better than an immutable map. Go-tos in Python, that'd be a good April Fool's. You can actually implement it. There's enough bytecode to do it. There's unconditional jumps in the bytecode, so you could just make your own special go-to thing. I think someone has. Go to... Yeah, so you have like a decorator that lets you do hacky shit like this. Does work. Mike WM, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. Octavius, good to see you again. Welcome back. How does this look, chat? Does this look fine? I want it to be subtle, but not overwhelming, you know? Colons seem kind of hard to read. Probably doesn't matter that much. I kind of want the colons to be subtle. I don't want them to stick out. I think this is the same as what Git does. Yeah, Git also uses colons like that. I don't know. I like this, so I think I'm gonna go with this. And if we do type that to cat, yay, no color. What does Pylon do for that? Pylon have colors? What? What? Why does it not see the unused import? Ignore imports. Oh, I fucking hate Pilot. What's something that's gonna make Pilot mad? This? .rc file. Pilot does not do any coloring. Also, I like that the Pilot formatter for flake8 doesn't match up to Pilot's latest format. It looks like Pilot changed to be closer to flake8. Your code has been rated at -16. Well, fuck you too, Pilot. Okay, so now we need to document it. Your code is 10 out of 10, yeah. Is it just me or is there a bird chirping that song? There is. I feel like negative 16 is giving you too much credit for that code? Yeah, probably. Sasix says I came here for the depression tag filter. Wait, do I really have the depression tag on? I don't. Why do I show up for it? Goliator, hello, hello. How you doing? Welcome to the stream. And his name that I can't read has just followed. Thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. If you speak in chat, I can perhaps read your anglicized name. Let me give you a shout out, Goliators, so that my viewers can check you out. Welcome to the stream. Hopefully y'all are doing well. My name is Anthony. I stream programming on Twitter. On Twitch. I usually work on Python stuff. This is what you're talking about, I assume. Sasix. I frequently work on open source stuff. Today we are working on Python in flake8 and trying to implement colors. This is what we have so far. Flake8 t.py. Got this. Oh, I got rid of t.py. Anyway, you can still see the colors. Somewhat subtle, but they're there. Small but humble stream. We did coding game all night and broke and then repaired my Nerf gun turret. Oh, that sounds cool. Whether to use color and output. Probably want to link to the formatter stuff as well. Possible options are auto, always, and never. This can be specified in config files. Enable config file usage. Fucked up the RST. I hate RST. Two spaces? Sure. RIP to the number of streamers tagged with depression and 0 viewers. Oh no. How do you actually find tags? Because I tried to like search for it on Twitch. And if you just go here and search depression. Oh, everyone is streaming today. Holy shit. You get like people. Depression the game. But like, browse categories tags. Browse categories tags. Oh, search tags. Depression. Oh. I see. Do I show up here? Is there Anthony Red's code on this? I don't see me. Nope. I don't know how people possibly found my channel from depression though. Oh, you know what I bet it is? I bet if they're like on this page and then they click through to some other stream, maybe that counts? Maybe Twitch's like analytics stuff just sucks? I don't know. Is this not documented at all? Formatters. I guess we could just put it into color itself. Have a one-stop shop. And color is enabled. Following substitutions are enabled. Hold. Black, red, green, yellow, blue, magenta, cyan, white, reset. Black. Yellow, blue, magenta, cyan, white, set. I guess. And then I guess I should try it on Windows. The well-known colors of bold and reset. Yeah, exactly. Oh, fucking bullshit. Stupid. Missing dog string. Go fuck yourself. Verify that color equals always. That's it to true. Cool, what a useful doc string when I just fucking copy and paste what the thing says. I think if I put an underscore here, it doesn't make me do it, so we're gonna save ourselves one doc string. God, I hate that stupid linter. And then the doc string linter is going to be like, TTY is not a word. Try it again. Did source and refer? I just did a whole lot of fucking with the statistics just for you. Nice, nice. I wonder how often they probably don't show up super quickly, but let's see. Insights, analytics. I just realized I've been streaming for 2 hours and I haven't filled up my water. Fucked that up. Oh, it did move up. We are now at 2% depression. Shit. Hey, what's up, recursive chat? Hello, hello. Good to see you again. Okay, that was enough to appease the stupid linters, it looks like. And color option. And spruce up the default formatter. Let's do add color option. Oh, we also have to ban flake8 colors. Hype depression train, yeah. Increase depression. I mean, that's what the winter usually does. You don't have to do it automatically. I bet if I put parentheses around this, it won't fuck it up though. What else did it do? Show quotes. Really? Really? That's what you decided looks better, Black? Really? flake8. Ring. Melvin XB, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. Wait, did I not just push to mine? Colors. 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 Oh no. What? Why didn't it install the API 3 wheel? Too old pip, maybe? Yeah, pip 19 is kind of old. Probably doesn't understand API 3. Right. This Windows. There we go. All that so that I could do this. So that I could do this and watch it explode. Yeah. That means we need the hacky shit from Freakment. Because otherwise, look at this garbage. This looks good, ship it? Yeah. Yeah. Uh-huh. Yep, 100% looks great. Yeah. Okay. I basically just need this block. Oops, that didn't work. There we go. Terminal supports color. Actually, if we want to mock it easier, we can do this. Oh, this needs to go in a different file. And Windows color. Terminal supports color. I put this earlier. So what does pre-commit do? Puts it later. Okay. Oh, then we gotta adjust the tests. Oh, this is not our flake8. I was like, wait, but the colors. Flake8 takes clearly 36 minutes to do a lot of things. Wait, what? Oh, I gotta fill up my water. I'm gonna go fill up my water. I'll be right back. I'll see you in a sec. Hello, I'm back. Got my water. Daniel Guillermo Games, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. Okay, I also remembered one other thing that I have to do, which is ban that plugin. So we gotta look at what other their entry points. Briar Moss 44, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. 3 points. Gate colors. Load entry points for thing. Oh, it's weird that I still have a Python 2.7 comment in here, but it only supports Python 3. So we put. The unfortunate thing about these warnings is no one ever sees them because they're hidden by default, and if you turn on any sort of logging, it's just like spew. So I want to fix this at some point too, but flake8 colors plugin is incompatible with flake8 greater than or equal to 4.1. Implements colors itself. Peace. Devil says, "Man, your setup is lit. I'm glad you like it." It's I mean it's slowly evolved over the years. I guess you want to learn more about it. Here's like my video where I go over the details of it. Here's kind of the picture of what it looks like behind the scenes. But yeah, I'm pretty happy with my setup. It is definitely changed a lot. Like if you look at some of my really old clips, like like if we go way back in time, back to the beginning, like this is what my keyboard cam used to look like. Bim's just wrong. This was before I had lighting too, and I had my other. Where's my other? Oh no, it's there. I had my other microphone. This was like when I had nice lighting, so I updated my lighting. But yeah, I put a bit into my setup. Colors. That's what your posture used to look like? You mean more hunched over? I've actually been a little bit better about posture. A little bit. Brian Moss, hello, hello, welcome to the stream. Yeah, so if you set -V, you get all this stuff here. Oh, it's supposed to skip it. Didn't skip it. Continue, yes. It's from McCabe. I like how I did 1V and I got infos. Just wanted the warnings. But yeah. But yes. That is how that works. Oh, right, we have to update the tests. Test unit, test base formatter. Smog Windows color. Test color. Oh, this should say never. Oh. Test color auto is false if not supported on Windows. Real solid copy pasta doc string. This should probably go right here. Back. I should probably put where it came from. Yuri Princess Cat Girl 2005. Thank you for the follow. Welcome to the stream. Hopefully you're doing well. Dick Sword, nice, indeed, indeed. Catherine is here. How you doing, Catherine? Welcome back. Man, 2005. Guess that means you're 16. Get recent hard order colors. Oh, it works. I guess that's bold. Not hard to tell. Kevin says, haven't been around much, too busy with job and life stuff. Congrats on your job, by the way. How's it been so far? 16 is a good age to start programming. That's true. It's true. Or to be a Yuri Princess Cat Girl. That's also a great age for that too, I guess. Okay, the colors are working now on Windows, which is great. Now we can do this and do that. CSS is my passion. Is there a dick sword? There is indeed. You do bang dick sword. Oh. I can't even spell spelling dick sword wrong. There we go. If you want to believe I'm no. Oh god. Yikes. I do not want to believe that you're 16. That is far too young. Okay, what do we do here? Yep, cool. Schmilly. Thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Or is it Schmile? Is it Schmile or is it Schmilly? Welcome to the stream. Hopefully you are doing well. Who says, thanks, Anthony, for your contributions. I'm glad you appreciate them. Welcome, welcome. It could also be that the account name is from 2005. Yeah. Was Twitch around then? No, the account was created like 2 days ago. A week ago. Oh, well, maybe it's a different account though. It's from 2005. Maybe they graduated high school in 2005. I feel like this patch is not a net positive. I feel like it's kind of meh. But whatever, whatever. And I'm gonna deprecate diff, so we can do that at the same time. 1379 resolves 1379. Okay, what other stuff did I want to do with this? I guess I should wait until it merges. Alright, let's download all the flake8 plugins. What could go wrong? Simple grep flake8. Oh, but how do we get the latest version of all of them? Is there a search here? No. There is not. Gotta write a bit of code here. If name is equal to main. HTML.parser, is that the module? Handle start tag? Handle start tag. URL dot request dot URL open. I only just now joined the Discord and was really tempted to say I've come to bash Python. I mean, that's what you tend to do, right? Parser equals link parser. Parser dot add argument. No, that's not how that works. Parser dot, is it dot feed? Parse pi. What? Parse? How do we use this? Feed. Parser dot feed. Rest dot read. Read feed. And then break a point. What do you mean? Oh, I forgot to call super, didn't I? In it? Only concatenate stir, not bytes to stir. It's gotta be a string. Dick sort of meme here? Yeah. Yeah, it is. Tommy in it, yeah, exactly. Damn, that was slow. Parser.links. And it totally worked. We're gonna do this a different way. We're gonna do this a different way. We're gonna do this and then grab a We're gonna do this, and then we are going to hit their JSON endpoint. Yes. Do I need a token? Doesn't look like I do. API/thing/JSON. Oh, yes. Dick sword. Don't feed the parser past midnight or bad things will happen. Yes, it's true. Hey, what's up, Java Love? Hello, hello. So we don't need you because we are now doing JSON for package in package names. And you can't see that because it's off the screen. Auto flake8, nice. Blah 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 blah. You know. Only have a vulnerabilities thing here. Oh, I know Francisco. Oh, it is a fork of autoflake. Why? That's cool. What was I even doing? I totally forgot why I was doing this. Why does this look so ugly? Alright, I have PPJ. Where's my PPJ? No. There we go. That's what I wanted. Oh, he must be using poetry. Poetry enforces this terrible, terrible idea. Do we want to find the last wheel? I don't even know why I'm doing this. Seems like a waste of time. I could just deprecate it and be like, oh, the PR failed. But why? God, gonna be fucking docstring bullshit again. Gonna be docstring bullshit. One of these days I'm just gonna get mad and turn it off. Oh, it's flake8 naming. We are gonna tell it to fuck off. Do we use profile ignores? We do. that enough to make it go away? No. Why? Probably called Windows Color. Yeah. Damn, Pilot, why are you so slow? Wondering if I should implement the gorgeous thing called broadcast, gather, and scatter in my SIMD abstraction, but sadly most are AVX512. Some of those words sound familiar. Oh, I was gonna download all the packages to deprecate things, I think. I was also gonna simplify some stuff in here, wasn't I? Here. Yeah. This thing where it does load plugin and then load plugin calls load plugin calls load calls blah blah blah. Wait, why is it this? I hate this. Oh, I don't like this code. This code could be like 6 lines. Like loop over all the distributions, loop over the entry points, maybe like 10 lines. Find the entry points that match, and turn structured data instead of this. Venus, how you doing? Hey, they can't stay too long. Wanted to let you know I watched your GitHub Universe presentation and you did great. Thanks, that's awesome. For those of you that don't know what Venus is talking about, I gave a talk at GitHub Universe last week. Oh, that's a timestamp in the middle of it. And you can check out that video on my YouTube channel. To give you an idea what they are, for gather you give it a base address and an array of offsets. Then in a single instruction it gets the values from memory at base address plus elements IDX and puts it into a corresponding element. And it's faster than doing it manually. Makes sense. Like a specialized array lookup thing. Did it fail again? No. Oh yeah, it passed. Okay. It's gonna be like, I'm pretty sure it passes this time. Alright, let's do a little self-code review and then I'll just YOLO merge this because, yeah. Oh, I should probably also put a little screenshot of what it looks like. Little trick for screenshots, by the way. If you set PS1 to something like this, it looks a lot better. That way you can get the thing all by itself here. Snipping tool. Uh, Wow, that really zoomed in a bunch there. Look blurry. Has so many views. It was nice to talk. Yeah, it has. I mean, slightly above my average view count, 1,000. Still not like quite my most views, but Entice, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. I go here and go to content and sort by views. Yeah, like this has 16,000. This has 13,000. I like how my most of my most viewed videos have like the lowest like to dislike ratio. It's just, I guess, the way things go. Gotta go all the way down to this one to get 100% likes. And these are like the 0 and first episode of the playlist, so it's probably people just loading the playlist. But hey, nice, nice. Zebra, hello, hello. How you doing? On a scale from clean to janky, how bad is it to do an import inside a test XYZ function? I usually don't like to put imports inside of functions unless I'm hacking around a circular import problem. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, I basically want to throw out all of this plugin code because it's really complicated for not a great reason. Like this. Well, this type annotation is not actually doing anything. But yeah, I think I can delete almost this entire file. Bar number, hello, hello, welcome back. Good to see you again. But I need to look more holistically at what gets called into here and what doesn't get called into here before doing that. Because I suspect some of this stuff is actually necessary, even though probably not. Too few public methods. What is silly lint error? Okay, yeah, we're not gonna do that then. But I'm gonna merge this, and we'll take a look at this. Basically, just gonna deprecate this. Yeah. Is that enough to deprecate it? There's a man page? Why? Lol, super out of date. I should just delete this. Like this is not actually being used. I wonder if it gets linked to at all. Hey, what's up, Indie Monkey? Hello, hello. how you doing? This option it will be removed in a future version. Can also just fix it. Due to reporting due to hiding potential errors, this option is deprecated and will be removed in a future version. Removing it is easier and simplifies more code. And people can call it in the way that they expect, probably. Oh, I was gonna actually open up the docs. Docs. Build. Test generate a man page. Super out of date. I should just delete it. Cool, that seems fine. Legend ZS, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. Deprecate the diff option. I should also make it warning code too. Is that the best place to put this? Here? Real Clim T, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. Logger here. Ooh. The diff option is deprecated and will be removed in a future version. There we go. The diff option is deprecated and will be removed in a future version. Cool. Okay. 1989. Cool. So I think that's probably going to be enough for today. The plan for tomorrow's stream is going to be a little bit different. My friend David wants to learn a program, and I offered to teach it. So we're gonna start that journey tomorrow, hopefully. The plan is to set up a development environment. So basically setting up a virtual machine, getting some basic command line stuff. It should be an interesting teaching adventure. Don't start him off with Python. What do you suggest, the Gel Mega? What language would you start him off with? We're gonna start with Python. It's very easy to start with Python. But that should be fun. So if you want to see how I set up my development environment and all that other stuff, that'll be tomorrow. But yeah, that's gonna wrap us up for today. Let me do my little spiel, and then we'll send you off to another environment. Make the dev-env that you speak about last weekend. What? Language that's statically typed and doesn't have stupid indent-based syntax. There's not that many of those that I know well enough that I would be comfortable teaching. And I'm not gonna teach like C++ or C. Like those seem like bad choices. Anyway, it doesn't matter. My name is Anthony. I upload educational content to youtube.com/anthonywritescode 3 times a week. I also upload my previous streams to my second channel. You can get those thank you details at the link that was posted there. So subscribe to either of those if you're interested in that content. I normally stream Monday evenings and Saturdays at noon, and I announce my streams in 2 places. One of those is twitter.com/codewithanthony, where I basically talk about what I'm going to do, and then we do it. We did actually work on flake8 today, which is cool. I also announced my stream on the Discord, which you are all free to join and come and hang out with us. Cool little place to hang out, so join there. But thank you all for stopping by, and let's go find someone to raid.